Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.25-inch IPS touchscreen special phone Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2019 to 2021 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. It comes with special harness and canvas box. It comes with 3 power harness. Okay, this canvas box and this power harness, and this ISO harness. This also power harness. There's three cable. You can check. 3 power harness come with head unit together. Okay. It's a built-in microphone and this reset hole. Okay, this power home back button, this navy button, built-in Google Maps, and the radio. This Bluetooth volume control, this settings. Okay. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose Belsee logo or Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes. Okay. Back to home. And you can see my editor. You can change this color with red and blue. Any color you can change it. Okay. Okay. All apps are here. You can check this Z-Link app work with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, and built-in YouTube. This is vehicle information. And let's check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, show Wi-Fi icon and support hotspot and 4G. About motion, you can check this Android 10 system. Back. PX6 chip. And storage total 64 GB. Okay. You can change this button color with red, green, any color. You can adjust this panel. Okay. Okay. Long press, you can choose the app and choose Bluetooth. This settings, this pin code. This Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, click search. Click pair. Your phone will get message. Please put 401234. Click OK. Okay. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, you can check. And okay, it can make a free phone call. Okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. Okay, you can play music from your phone. And let me test the music. It's USB 1. It's DSP amplifier. CEQ. You can adjust this. Okay. Okay, let me play the video. You can check video is disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, drum settings, turn on the watch video. Okay, let me play the video game. This 4K video. It's 4K video. Okay. And this is the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It's built in the Play Store. This Google navigation. This is Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit website belse.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.